Hello guys, what's up? Today I'm going to show you how to download AMD Radeon HD 6990 graphics driver. For installing this graphics driver, you have to download first. For downloading AMD Radeon HD 6990 graphics driver, search AMD Radeon HD graphics driver, then click the AMD Radeon TM. Then search your Windows edition, Windows 10, Windows 8, Windows 7. Here my operating system is Windows 10 64-bit, so I am downloading it. After download, show in folder, then expand it, right click on it and run as administrator. Select your location, or you can keep it default, then OK and install. Wait a few seconds, it depends on your PC configuration. Watch carefully, otherwise your driver won't be installed. Then click install. Select as it is default. Here one display driver and one HDMI audio driver. Check it up and install it as default.
Standing on the edge of a cliff, realize there must be more to life than this. Reaching for the stars, traveling so far, like a dragonfly. Just grab my hand from heaven's end. With me tonight, I run away.
Install. We are seeing that AMD software and drivers have successfully been installed. Now you have to give a restart. Click restart now. Then your graphics driver will be updated. So that's all. Thanks for watching.